Crisis, the ultimate stress test. I do think crisis allows you to fold or innovate, and you'll see the Carrington story that allowed them to innovate, to think through and to process and to come together in a different way. And I did the crisis mode in order for you to see the pressure cooker moments, for you to feel the power of what happens when we go into crisis mode. It's amazing when you think through times in your life when the family wasn't tight, you didn't get along with your neighbors. There was a competitor that you thought was trying to get into your space, and then a crisis happened. Crisis that involved those other players, the family, the team, the neighbors, the competitors come together in crisis mode. And that's when the true colors show up. That's when you know who's really committed and who's on the team. That's when you see who panics during a crisis versus who thrives and survives above and beyond. I want you to lean into your crisis moments. That's where the power of transformation is actually seen. It's when the person that you thought was a top performer leaves the company, and then you realize that you didn't have one top performer, you had 10 in the team, but they were suffocated before. Crisis mode elevates the strong and it gets rid of the weak, plain and simple.